scientists were involved with nuclear chemistry.
Wilhelm Röntgen discovered X-rays, which sparked scientists to start the work on ionizing radiation. There was also Henry Becquerel, who investigated the relationship between phosphorescence and other things like the blackening of photographic plates. Marie Curie isolated 2 new radioactive elements from uranium ore, which helped her husband, Pierre Curie. Ernest Rutherford had shown that radioactive decay is also described by a simple equation if a radioactive substance has given half-life.
Oh, what is the difference between stable and unstable nuclei?
Well, stable nuclei are when the protons and neutrons found in the nucleus are held together strongly, and when they are unstable, the protons and neutrons are not held together. Also, when they are unstable, they tend to form other elements and can be known as radioactive.
What types of radiation are emitted during nuclear reactions?
The types of radiation emitted during nuclear reactions include alpha radiation, which is when alpha particles is emitted from the atom's nucleus. Another type is beta radiation, which is when a neutron mutates into a proton and an electron. And the last type of radiation is gamma radiation, which is the emission of electromagnetic energy from an atom's nucleus.
I have one more question for you. What are the differences between nuclear fusion and nuclear fission?
Well, nuclear fission is when 2 or more smaller atoms are formed from the splitting of a larger atom. But nuclear fusion is when a larger atom is formed from the fusing of 2 or more smaller or lighter atoms.
Thank you so much,
You're very welcome.
Miss Talia. Tomorrow, join us at 8/7 Central to hear about the nuclear medicine.
Welcome to our interview over nuclear medicine. I have a couple questions for Miss Elizabeth today. What are the nuclear reactions involved in nuclear medicine?
One of the nuclear reactions involved in nuclear medicine is when radioactive iodine is swallowed and absorbed into the gastrointestinal tract and concentrated from blood by the thyroid gland, where it destroys cells within the gland.
What is the purpose of nuclear medicine in our world?
The purpose of nuclear medicine determines a certain cause of a medical problem based on the function of the organ, tissue, or bone. It involves small amounts of radioactive materials that help diagnose and treat certain diseases.
Very interesting. What are some of the benefits of nuclear medicine?
There are many benefits to using nuclear medicine. Nuclear medicine examinations can offer the most useful information needed in order to cure a certain disease or diagnosis. Nuclear medicine is also less expensive and gives you more information. It may also identify the disease at its earliest stage, even before symptoms may occur. Lastly, it may eliminate the need for surgical biopsy or show the best biopsy location.
What are some risks and negative outcomes of nuclear medicine?
The risks of nuclear medicine include having allergic reactions to radiopharmaceuticals. The injection of the radiotracer may cause pain and redness. It causes more time for the radiotracer to accumulate, from hours up to days, and imaging or studying also take several hours. When using chemical medicine, the images are not as high in resolution compared to the CT or MRI scan.
Thank you very much. Stay tuned for reasons why nuclear medicine is a positive form of medicine. Why nuclear medicine is positive? Tell me why nuclear medicine would be a better choice over CTs or MRIs.
Nuclear medicine is much more efficient and much cheaper than other forms of procedures.
How much information is received through nuclear medicine?
Well, information received is much more abundant and can find diseases before any symptoms occur.
What parts of the body can benefit from nuclear medicine?
Nuclear medicine can find diseases in the heart, lungs, bones, and brain, and probably much more.
Do you know any examples of any diseases that can be found?
The procedure can find end-stage cancer by determining its spread throughout the body, and can also detect tumors throughout the body.
After all the evidence that you have given, I can confirm that nuclear medicine is a positive way of having procedures.
Thank you for watching The Elizabeth and Talia Talk Show. Bye!
Stop!
Okay, start over. Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
We can edit that part.
Stop!
I know you're making it. Okay.
Okay, just go. Make it do just all of this first, okay?
That's not too much. I was like, I cannot. Like,
Yeah, we've got to talk in victory.
Wilhelm wrote again.
You suck.
I
You
can't
can never be an
How do you say the
actress.
name? How do you say the name?
Stop. Well, hey, can we like finish this, please?
What?
We've got one more scene. We have one. Say, what people in the nuclear, what were we supposed to say again? What? Oh my god, these jackets are so hot, I can't.
I'm doing it.
I'm done. Are you serious? There's a cat. She's off with those.
I didn't know where we are.
I'm done.